Welcome to Cablecast Broadcast Automation. In this video, we will go over the basics of creating and sharing video-on-demand files. If you don't know how to create or schedule show records in Cablecast, check out our Creating Shows video in this series first, then come back to this video. Let's get started. Video on demand is a great way to get your channel's content out to more people. If you don't currently have a video-on-demand server, talk with our sales staff about pricing. Enabling a show for on-demand viewing in Cablecast can be done in a single click. Simply navigate to the Video on Demand section of a show record, check the VOD enabled box, choose your quality, and then click Save. Cablecast will automatically transcode the file as well as make it available on your public site along with its thumbnail and metadata. Watch our separate video on the public site to learn more. Track the status of your VOD files in your Cablecast dashboard. Once a VOD file is transcoded, you can view it by clicking on Complete in the Video on Demand section of your server status bar. You can also click the Internet Video icon in the menu bar on the left, and then select Video on Demand. Either of these options takes you to a full list of the shows available in your on-demand library. Click on any of these files to open the settings for that file. In this view, you can watch a preview of the VOD file, see the total view count for the file, and access the social share links for that video. This window is also where you can add chapter markers or jump to points to your video on demand file. One option is to watch the video and click the Add Chapter button when you reach a point you'd like to mark. This creates a new chapter starting at the current position of your playhead. From there, simply add a chapter title and description. If you already have a log of your chapter marker points, simply type them in instead of scrubbing through the video. Click OK to save your chapter marker. There is no need to retranscode your files after adding chapter markers. Cablecast automatically creates a sidecar file with all of your chaptering information. Now that you've added your chapter markers, it's time to share your video. Click on the Embed tab to copy the embed code or URL for your video. A direct link to the chaptering information file is also listed here. When finished, click Return to Full List to view your complete list of VOD files. These are the basics of creating and sharing video-on-demand files in Cablecast. To learn about other features, check out the rest of this video series and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.